Ever tried to hold in a sneeze by pinching your nose and shutting your mouth? When you sneeze normally, air blasts out of your nose at nearly 160 kilometers per hour. That's basically a Category 2 hurricane coming out of your face. But when you block a sneeze, that pressure has nowhere to go, so it shoots back into your head and throat instead. And doctors have actually reported cases where people ruptured their eardrums, damaged blood vessels in their eyes, and even tore tissue in their throat from holding one in. Your body basically turns into a pressure cooker for a split second. So no, you probably won't explode. But your body definitely isn't designed to keep that sneeze inside.